Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Utter gang. Happy hump day, baby. We are flying. Do we continue? Or are we going to get the Bart Simpson-esque coming right up? Bitcoin chopping at the top right now. We got some buy levels. We got some sell levels. We sniffed the pink box just a little bit last night. And could we be breaking down? We'll see. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, chat. How we doing? Pink box sniff test coming right up. If you were up for it, I mean, she'd be knocking at the door at like 2:30 in the morning. It's ridiculous. Now put a 1 in the chat if you're answering. Let me know if you're answering. 2:30 in the morning booty call. She shows up because I know 97% of you guys are men here. She shows up and she's ready to go. It's like my wife getting up to go toilet in the middle of the night. That would be my 2:30 a.m. booty call. Oh man, married life, man. It's the best. It is the best. It truly is. You guys are all getting up. You're already locked and loaded. Morning wood. Right? Did bro dye his hair? Haven't seen him in so long. I got new lighting. I wanted to make myself look angelic. How am I doing? Am I doing better with the lighting? Oh man, too funny. Good morning, guys. What's going on, Piper? Like number 1 is you. Oh, wee. Mr. Piper with the number 1 like. Thank you, bro. God bless. Hopefully you're doing well. Paul, Benny, B-Rad, Crypto Jung, Mr. Hung. Ooh, this looks like it's going to roll over. We're below VWAP, a little SFP rotation down right now. Woof. Chop at the WAP. Nothing better in the morning. Hey, guys. Jeez. A little sweep up top here. Our boy Ethereum doing its thing lately. A little bit of hopium slippers. Everybody got their hopium slippers on this morning? How we all doing? Spain whooping France's ass. So much for all you 40% of people who voted for France to win the World Cup. Sorry, had to go there. Tu ne parles français. You're speaking Espanol now. The takeover is real. Chantel, good to see a decent crypto. What's going on, Duality C? Al, Steve Hickey, G1, Alexander G. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. How we all doing? Good morning. The market's looking a little bit flat. We have order block tap. Three drives, but not. Our hourly lows have been defended here, so we haven't really had a significant break, in my opinion. Yeah, like this is still good. Higher lows. It's ugly, but it's still good. This sweep is nasty. Little scratch and sniff. Yeah. If I was a betting man, we come back into here. But I'm not a betting man. Never been into gambling. I have a couple of funny stories when we went to like the casinos and stuff with the boys back in the day. I remember being broke. I'm gonna start the stream off with a casino story. I was like 22, and me and my best friend, we used to go like cougar hunting. Oh man, AlexOCrypto. So we used to go cougar hunting. And we would, like, legit, we'd go to the casinos, and we would be student poor. Like, I'm talking, like, ramen noodles poor, right? Like, could barely buy, like, a dime of weed and 5 cans for the weekend kind of deal. So we're going, we used to go to the casino, and we would sit beside these ladies, the older ladies, and they would want company, right? So we would hang out and chat them up, and we'd put her like $5 in the slot, and then, oh man, we ran out of money. Don't worry, kid, here. And this one time, my friend, he was a pro at this, and she gave him $50, and he went like all in, and he hit 10 grand beside the whole casino fucking lit up, man. Ding, 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 boop, boop, bop, boop, boop, bop, boop, bop. And oh, man. And she wanted it. She wanted it so bad, you know? She'd been chasing it, pressing the stupid button. She wanted it so bad, and we're like, nah, like, we just won. Took the 10 grand and peeled, man. Oh, my God. I'll never forget it. Too funny. I can't believe we're starting the stream like this. Yeah. I have 2 stories like that. One time, my one friend, and this is weird because I've only been, like, I can tell you on my probably 2 hands that's how many times I've been to a casino. My friend once hit 2, 3, 4 straight flush and 3-card poker. 2, 3, 4 spades. Straight flush. I think it was like an 80-1 payout or something stupid like that. It was, and when it happened, my friend was like, so like, he didn't play poker. He was like, "Is that good?" That's another story. Holy smokes. "Is that good?" He goes. And there was like 4 ladies around the poker table, and they're just looking at him like, you know? Wild to hit a 2, 3, 4 straight flush. Whew. Good times. Yeah. Well, now we have our stories. I like playing like Texas Hold'em with friends and stuff like that. I ain't going to like hang out with the scratchings, magic internet money in the morning. What's going on, Scratch and Sniffer? I bet you Magic's still holding shorts from the highs. Oh man, what's going on, Magic? Good to see you, bro. Hopefully you and the family are doing well. I'm sure you're busy this summer with the family. God bless you, man. Thank you for dropping by. Scratch and sniff. What did it smell? Oh, man. We won't go down those stories, but yeah, some good times at the college casino. There was a racetrack right beside where I went to college, so there's always something going on. Oh man, so where are we at? Where are we looking to go? Sideways. Inflation data pump. Nasdaq's my cause for concern right now, just because we can see that the chips, Micron, Marvel, AMD, A-Lab, they've all been leading the charge, and they're all absolutely getting rugged right now. Not terribly. Like, obviously they've gone on like 1,000x, 10x run, right? But a little bit of cause for concern, especially after the data came out, right? SpaceX IPO, right? Welcome to space, Grandma. Larry, I bought the top at 200. You said it was going to go to the moon. Literally. So a little bit of cracks in the system right now, but we can see one thing that I'm interested in is seeing what Ethereum does in here. So Ethereum's retesting lows. I think it needs to flip 1925 before getting going here. But if we're looking at our ETH Bitcoin charts, I mean, this is typically a good sign here. So just watching Ethereum and its behavior over the next week or two, like pullbacks typically for buying, but this is starting to go parabolic. And can it continue? Because look at what happened. Look at what happened last time, right? You get all excited, right? You get all, oh my God, we're going back, and you find out. You find out. So it's something that just on the radar right now. I'm keeping an eye on. Even look at ADA, man. ADA. Anyway, sorry, I won't talk about ADA on this channel. It's almost insulting. Sorry about you, Ada. So some interesting things, to say the least. The VIX is back down to 16, which I hate as a scalper. It's just volatility is obviously summer lull, right? So it requires a lot of patience. I took like 3 scalps yesterday. I think I made $1,100 yesterday. Not exactly sure how much I made. 52,000. Yeah. So the accounts at 52,000. We've been compounding it in front of you guys here, so we're back up, doing good. I think that's 1,100 yesterday or something like that. So a good day, to say the least. We're chopping at the WAP this morning. So do we get Bart Simpson, or are we going to continue to break out here? Now, the pink box, the scratch and sniff this morning, or last night at 2:30. Someone asked me what it is. So this is acceptance into the previous range between February and April, right? So this is get going back up to the point of control here at 66. This is kind of a flip zone, right, where it needs to get above and hold, and then it can have acceptance up into these levels up here. But if it fails, right, then, well, we're coming here for these guys down here. So if this, then that. Always prepared as much as possible, right? But locally right now, this is just sideways. So I think a lot of trap traders. We have PPI data coming out in, how long for PPI data here? We got 8:30. Yeah. So PPI is coming out. So no trades until PP in your eye data comes out. Our favorite data at the AlexOCrypto show, we love putting PP in your eye because it's all a joke, right? It's all a joke. This data, it's whatever, right? So we'll see how it gets. Thank you for being here, guys. Oh, and if you're not following Magic Internet Money, make sure you follow Magic Internet Money. Good friend of the channel. He's a better trader than probably all of us. He has his own the crypto hub, man. Position size matters. He has a Discord. It's cheap. It's worth it. Go and learn if you want to learn. Incredible person too. What's going on, Crypto Jung? Good to see you. Dusty, Milan, Fred, good morning. Wayne Rossi, morning, man. How you doing? Alan, Curtis Hill, Froggle, Gates to Profit. King Froggle, Philly Skills, Wagwan, my guy. Terry, good morning. Thank you for being here. Going to be some good trades happening today, folks. There's always an opportunity, right? No matter what, there's always something right now. It's in this area here, we could look at our fib pullback here potentially. We could look for this guy in here. If this, then that. Right now, the thing that I don't like is that we never took the low. We have like equal lows down here. Equal lows suggest buyers stepped up to bid this thing here. So I don't really want to short this thing just yet. If we had closed below this low here and now we retested, okay, let's go. But this is just, this gets you into like this symmetrical triangle BS fake out stuff. And I don't like, rolling the dice. Market maker will always win. So we remain patient in here. A slap down into here, though, a nice liquidity grab. I think we can mark out a couple of these lows right now. So any sort of slap down into these lows locally could be an opportunity if you get a nice reaction. But sideways and trapping traders, long, short. You know how it rolls. Landon, good to see you. Mr. Pixel, good to see you. Luca, Lotus Style, Keen Being, Crypto Titan, 585, Deep, shoulda, woulda, coulda, didn't. Gates to Profits, Aaron Miller, good to see you. Dave Digital. 10 minutes till news. Cooper, good to see you, man. Landon. You're always ready for that pink booty call. Pink box booty call. Did you set an alert on it? Did not take the trade. Chantel, you didn't take the scratch and sniff. Okay, Chantel's smarter than most of us, so I feel like you look green. Good morning. Looks good, bro. Thanks, man. Did you turn your mic down? Chance wearing headphones, volume all the way up. I didn't. I can turn it up a little bit for you if you want. Here you go. Check. There you go. Now I'm going to clip when I get all excited and stuff, but that's fine. I can turn it up for you. Toaster, how's it going? V Monitor, JR Prince. Wayne C. Wayne C, what kind of sandwiches have you been getting this week? Hopefully she's been treating you well. None of that tuna and sweet corn stuff that you talk about. It's terrible. Frost Dog. He didn't give her cash. Well, the initial, I think he gave her the $50 back, but not the winnings. Not the winnings. Who slayed the most cougars? I promise you it wasn't me. I was not I'm not a cougar hunter, really. It's not kind of my thing back in college. I wasn't looking to slay cougars. Mob the Great, good to see you. Steve Hickey, David, Rick, how's it going? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here, Landon. My question is, at what point of doing TA on something like ETH and Sol when its macro moves just follow Bitcoin? I understand some outperform the other days. So what's the point? Is that you'll have rotation, right? So you'll have certain things outperforming Bitcoin, but for me specifically as a scalper, when Solana is outperforming Bitcoin, what I find is that it's easier to read. So like if Bitcoin is doing this, right, and whatever, right, and you get the bull divs and the higher low, and Solana's outperforming, but Solana comes in and it slaps the low and it holds the low, and I have a key level on Solana, I take Solana, right? So for me, the TA is the TA. However, if it's being more respected and it's meeting my rules to my playbook, to my strategies, and Bitcoin's not doing it, Bitcoin's following the direction, but it's not hitting the level, right? Solana does this, right? And Bitcoin eventually does this, right? I will take Solana. So for me, it's just another way of making money on top of trading Bitcoin. I have strategy around Solana. I have strategy around Bitcoin. It's very similar. It's very price action based. But Solana is very support and resistance based as well. But yeah, I have my key level here. I missed this trade, but if Bitcoin breaks the high or low, and Solana comes back and slaps my key level, I can execute based on. For me, it's the probabilities of the trade playing out, right? In confluence with Bitcoin. So I think there's that. There's also like altcoins that outperform Bitcoin, but they're outperforming other altcoins too. So you get the nice pullback and continuation long, right? You can take those trades and make lots of money off of them, like we did when that happened before, right? When we had Ondo trade, injective trade in the Discord, right? You take them for a little bit more money. And I like swing trading altcoins. So when we took this trade here, we could see that Ondo was just accumulating, but it started making higher lows. And Bitcoin was already doing this, right? It had already macro switched. So I'm like, what opportunities are there to take on something else? And we took Ondo for like almost 100%, right? So it's just being prepared in that sense. Same with injective. I think we gave this injective trade in the Discord here, but we also gave one recently here. This has taken 2 weeks to play out so far, right? But look, if you're in this trade with us, we're up 10%. It's a nice little. I like to look at it as like a side hustle, right? Like I'm not sitting here every day looking. I set alerts, macro alerts. If they hold and respect certain levels and Bitcoin's outperforming or looking strong, I will take some altcoin trades, right? It's pick your poison. I had a virtual level here and I missed it. I was kind of annoyed with myself in here. I had this order block down here and I didn't take it. I wanted to, but I didn't take it. My alert went off, but you can't Pokemon these trades either, right? You're not gonna catch them all, but it's always nice to have. And it's all about just setting your trap and knowing alerts and price action. And if Bitcoin's doing a certain thing, you can rotate and try to take some other coins for some money as well, right? It's still all relevant. Okay, we swept the lows just now. I mean, this is chop. We just swept the lows though. And these are all sweep levels in here. I'm going to swap the lows coming into PPI data. No trade right now. We got 3 minutes till the data comes out. And then probably blast off and then dump. I'm expecting a pump and then a dump. That's what I would like. What's going on, Proof of Work? Simeon, Jack, Anonymous. Good morning, guys. AlexOCrypto, Jason, Big Buck. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here, Clayton. I love dad jokes. Good morning. Yellow sky today. My nipples are getting harder. You know what that means? No clue. Is that a dad joke? Terry, Wayne. Wick's wife. Wifey, how you doing, Andre? Good to see you as well. Alex, chicken salad today. Airport food. Oh, man. You must be not performing recently. You just got to go gang, gang, gang. What's going on, Paul? How you doing, man? Cena? The only requirement here is a good morning, guys. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel. You can hit the like button. You can like and subscribe and all that stuff. We only have 70 likes, guys. Should we just go trade in the Discord? Sometimes I'm just like, let's just go trade in the Discord. It's so much chill. Play some music. Yeah. Thanks for answering my question too, man. Appreciate it. Of course. Argentina are based at AF. I'm rooting for England, if I'm being honest now. I want England to win. My wife doesn't even watch football. Like, she's like, he's a footballer. She's like, bunch of wankers. Smash those likes. Come on, guys. Yeah. Thank you. We're doing a $1,500 giveaway today, too. Whatever. We can just do silent trading. No trades right now. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's it. See if we can continue. Chop at the wop. Sweep and go. Trying to push out. My God, the indicator's been printing. Juicy short, juicy long. Okay. Higher lows, continuation up. SFP of the low. So this, I expect this thing to push right now. 20 seconds. The PP is loading, guys. Here we go. Boom. Up we go. Sweep. Push. Bitcoin pushing. Looking for a short. Nasdaq pushing. Biddy pushing. PPI coming in. -3. -3. My God. Beautiful. Solana sweep. Biddy coming up. Golden pocket. Rejection. Potential rejection here. Considering a short. Let's do it. Oh, you nasty mofo. Dump it. Ah, I should have just taken it. Quarter position size, not too arsed. Does look like it's trying to push now. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on. Come for the liquidity down below. Stop loss to entry. It's gonna come and get me, isn't it? I mean, this is a little participation trade. It could be the high of the day, man. That's the thing. If it wants to dump it, that's how it's gonna do it. It's gonna sweep, and then it's gonna roll over. But we didn't come all the way up to our golden pocket, so we might need to go up there first. Either way, break even trade if I get stopped out. We'll see. Retest our previous highs now. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ's climbing. Yeah, let's take some more off. I'm getting at least a little chunk of change out of this thing. $100. We'll see if it does want to continue to roll over. Not a big trade. Obviously, news-driven data. Don't want to be overly exposed. I would have liked if it came up to our golden pocket. Now this is potential for we'll see if we roll over here. Dump Bitcoin. Put a 2 in the chat if you took the short. I mean, sweep of the highs is valid, right? Sweep of the highs. No golden pocket, no golden shower for you guys. But, you know, how many times, you know, we're overextended. Everybody's super bullish. They're like, oh my God, we're just going to long the PP in your eye data and make tons of money. That happened yesterday, guys. You think that's going to happen today? I don't know. I would be not in the favor of that. I would expect us to come back halfway down the candle of this big ass candle. Remember, this is a big ass candle right here. This is a big ass candle. This is a big, girthy green candle right here. What typically happens to big, girthy green candles? We come at least halfway back to the candle and then we continue. In general. Because all these todgers, all these absolute todgers, these wankers, think they can just buy here and get away with it. Not on my watch, Jon Snow. Dump it. Let's go, baby. Dump it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Play the dump song, maybe? I do like the dump song, just in general. And I feel like I've talked too much recently, so maybe we can just sing.
To the ground, take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are.
Put a 2 in the chat if you're short.
Love it. Down to the floor. Love it. Love it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor.
It's not working, guys. It's not working. Nasdaq's pumping, man. It's going up.
Chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down.
Didn't want to be a namby-pamby. Let's go, Rich.
Stay true to the digital. In the chat if you are short.
It's pumping. Solana's ripping.
Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Who in the chat if you are short? Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to zero. Buy it.
Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. That's all right. Hey, took a little hundo out of the market. Pay for my golf today. We're gonna go directly into the beautiful Discord today. We can do lessons either later today or tomorrow. Wednesday's typically lesson day of like going over strategies and clarifying certain things. But we're going directly into the Discord today to live scalp with you guys. Then I got a couple of meetings, and then I'm going golfing today for the first time in like 3 weeks because it's been too long, baby. Hopefully the back holds up. I've been to the range a couple times, and it seems to be okay. Hopefully we can shoot under 90 today. That's the goal. It's to shoot under 90. I was shooting low 80s at the beginning of the year, and then the back went on me, so we'll see. Did you shorten your shafts? My shafts, yeah, I've had all of my iron shafts shortened by like adjusted to my height. They're all like an inch shorter. I looked at the chart. Otherwise I'd be gripping down so far on the I hope you're doing mobility exercises. Yeah, I've been stretching every single night, man. Every single night. Lower back, rotation. Everyone forget about 67 to 70K scenario in Elliott waves. It's imminent. Oh, we'll see. The thing is where we're at right now. We've had a pink box little Tapparelli last night, right? Need to flip this. Like, this is big flip zone energy right here. So needs to flip and get above that. If we flip and get above that, happy days. If not, just got work to do, right? I just think right now we're overextended. Everybody's all excited about a PP in your eye data. Coming in at -3. Way below forecasting. Okay. Producer price in the US declined. Okay. bullish. It's bullish. And if we look at like the Fed watch tool, oh, we're pumping now. There we go. We're stopped out. Are we going to get stopped out? Yeah, stopped out. Stopped out of the short. It's okay. On to the next one. If we look at the Fed watch tool, sorry for the flashbang, guys. This is at 13% now. This was at 53. It's at 51. Okay, so that's not bad. Not bad. Stopped out of the short. Trying to continue up here. NASDAQ has legs, so this is interesting. NASDAQ having legs. Now it's taken the high. That might have been the last sweep right there. Market's choppy, so I prefer to pay myself. On to the next one. Do we get some GGs in the chat for having the cojones to take that trade? I don't know if I see any GGs. Made a nice little $80 off of that. Randy, have you hit your subs yet? $26,000. There we go. Congratulations, Randy Hipper. 26,000 subscribers. GG's. Good job. GG's to Randy as well. Good job. Awesome sauce. Showing off. You're showing off with all those subscribers. 394 people here on the live stream. 111 likes, guys. Taking the trade, showing the trades. Thank you guys for being here and being part of my subscriber base. You don't need to subscribe, though. You just come here and talk shit. Say good morning. That's all I ask. I still think this is bearish. This is just the price action is absolutely shite. Choppy at the toppy. If that little bugger is the guy that stopped me out of this short, I'm gonna be a little bit upset with it. But on to the next trade. Patience will prevail, as it always does. So thank you everybody for being here. One trade today, up $80. I only went a quarter position size. I haven't been trading as much size on the live streams recently because I feel like I've been a bit distracted. Does that make sense? I'm trying to talk and look at you guys, say good morning, look at charts. It's not very it's not like it's not focused. I am focused and I do understand the risks, but sometimes it's like, No, don't get me wrong. It infuriates me when I take a great trade on the live stream and I only went quarter position size because I know if I was trading on my own, I would have smacked it, right? And it makes it a little bit iffy for the P&L. Right, because I'll come on here and I'll do like $400 or $300, and then I'll have a $2,000 day after taking 4 more trades. Sometimes I think I should just trade market open and then stream afterwards, but we get to spoon feed here, right?
All right, you guys, here's some more. Dive in. Look at all these happy faces. Squeak, squeak. Good job, little ones.
You guys are ridiculous with these AI things, man. Gang, gang, gang. Oh, man. Who would have thought, you know? Just trying to download the Titanic on LimeWire. 8 days deep of keeping the computer running. And now we're doing shit like this, you know? Just for the girl to come over in 2 weeks to watch her cry, and then hopefully get to second base, you know? Oh, man. Was that Throne of Otters? That was, man. Yeah. If you get a neck tattoo, you would look like Chris Sky Guy. We haven't knighted a new moderator in a long time. We should do a vote. Who do you guys think should be a moderator? You guys have any opinions? Who deserves to be a moderator? Let me know in the chat. Nice follow through. It's kind of a sacred thing here. We don't typically give anybody moderator status. It's a whole thing here. And if you guys say Jesse, I'm gonna say no. You're gonna go Jesse. Jesse is a moderator everywhere. This is where Jesse gets to come and let down his hair and say fuck and say whatever he wants. This is Jesse's safe place, guys, where he doesn't have to be a professional moderator in one place, okay? This is Jesse's F around and find out, where he gets to swear, he gets to, you know, I made this a safe place for Jesse. And I say his name properly. Look at East. There you go. Let's go. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin Golden Pocket. Golden Pocket Biddy. Do we get continuation here? Solana says yes. Ethereum says yes. Ethereum catching some bids. That's for damn sure. Holy. Well, good thing we paid ourselves on that short. Retested previous highs. Continuation up here. Follow through. Solana looking good too. Big push here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. One short this morning, and now we wait. Market catching a bid. Ethereum going to the moon. Again. Resistance at 1920 here for Ethereum. Trying to get acceptance back above its macro range. Bitcoin coming into that golden pocket 786 rejection level. Doesn't really care. It's just ripping and melting faces, baby. Very interesting. Little sweep this morning and then blast off, baby. So can we continue to climb? Ethereum up 1.5% already today. Doing its thing. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream, hanging out here. What's going on, Wave Cypher? How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Dusty's long. You need French Toaster as a mod? Melissa, French Toaster. Mel's a mod already. Mel's my 9th subscriber. Mel's more than just the mod. Mel is the OG of the OGs, you know? East breaking out. Philly skills. Ones. Ones. Good to see you, legendary. I gave Dave Digital his first ever wrench, guys. That's my claim to fame. Wow. This thing is ripping. This is ripping, man. Holy. Where's the top? Pink box sniff again. We're scratching, sniffing the pink box, trying to get through it. Solana flying. Solana needs to get through 79. Ethereum needs to get through 1925. It's a good year. Back to my day. And Biddy needs to get through the pink box. So we're in a little sticky situation here. Pump it. Looks like we got legs. So can it get going? Beautiful push up this morning. Thank you everybody for being on the live. 400 people here. Ripping. I mean, constant bid, right? Like I said this morning, we said there was no low taken out on Biddy, right? We didn't have a mitigation down here. We just had a little SFP and off to the races we've gone. And this is like, you can just tell this is just buyers stepping up the way it's moving. Buyers coming in. Big time. And ETH is up. Yeah. Scheissenhausen. 2% to start the day, my dude. Holy. Solana into resistance. Bitcoin into resistance. Coming back down. Nice push for Bitcoin. Double top. Solana wick test continuation. Flying, man. Absolutely flying. This is crazy. Haven't seen bids like this in a while. Coming into resistance for all three, for ETH, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. Can they break through? Looks like they will. It looks like they will. Like long bias, obviously, right now, but into resistance, not touching it. We've taken a short today and made money. That's the good sign. That's funny. That's the funny part, is that we've made money off of shorts already. I'm scalping the F out of this. Nice. Good job, man. Hit the likes for the boy. Thank you, bro. We got 128 likes. You guys are pretty cool, man. Not good time to short? No. No, there's no confirmation for the short, right? So I like the little short scalp sweep trying to come back in, but one's in the chat if you're long. Are you guys top blasting? You guys are top blasting. I can smell it through the microphone. This is the new Shure scratch and sniff, guys, and you. Yeah, definitely top blasting. I can smell it. I can smell it. You guys are absolute degens. I love it. I don't know what setup you're taking up here, but good on you. If you're getting paid, cool. In my opinion, over time, it does not work. It'll give you, it's like the first one's free kind of stuff, right? It'll give you a couple of scratch and sniffs. It'll let your P&L go up, and then you'll do it, and you'll get absolutely rugged, man. And you'll be like, oh, that's what Alex was talking about. And that's okay, man. That's where time in the markets helps. But this looks really good. This looks like, buyers are definitely stepping up here. NASDAQ stepping up here. ES. All looks good, man. All looks bullish. This could be the time you win. I'd prefer like a breakout retest and go if we're going to top blast up here. Target the liquidity. And we're stalling out right now, so they're trapping longs for sure. There's definitely people here just clicking buy like absolute degens on ETH. Good fun, though. Good fun. Still waiting here. No trade. Order block retest into here, so we're looking here. Be free. You got FOMO in the chat. I got FOMO. I got a little bit of FOMO. Cardboard floor. Get ready to go through it. No click. FOMO to TB. Yeah. They're preparing for retail rug. Seems very fade the pink box and find out, right? You can fade it all you want. Coming into 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go get some coffee. Here's the coffee long if you want it. Okay, I'll go get some coffee so that you guys can all top blast.
Chips low, AlexOCrypto. Flip the party like a disco. Van bass up my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting
in my wagon, chariot, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Monkey meant that's on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a belly, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest again. That's the plan, but top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's go. Let's go, gang. You guys love it. You guys love it, man. GG's, man. Look at the coffee long print again. The coffee long is printing. You're welcome. All right. That's a good cup of coffee. That coffee long is ridiculous. It is, right? Absolutely. It's like literally someone needs to like go back through the streams and back test the coffee long. Its hit rate is absolutely disgusting. It is. Absolutely disgusting. Lunar Beaches Crypto, what's going on, man? Sky high. No knows. When will bullish? Me? I'm not bullish ever. I'm not bullish until macro structure change. We got a long way to go for Alex to become big bull. That doesn't mean that I'm not accumulating. I bought Solana at $64. It's a key level that I had. So, I mean, it's at almost $80 now. So, happy days, right? I have bought some things, but I'm not married to the game right now. That coffee long printing, NASDAQ climbing, ES climbing, Solana to the moon. Sweep of the high here on Solana. Beautiful continuation off of the PPI data coming in negative. Ethereum to the moon, flipping 1925, getting back above its range lows in here. Okay, really, look at this level in here. This is critical for ETH to hold here. 1930. Okay, if it can hold 1930. The way it's moved up here, I don't know if I expect it to hold. I would expect something like this. But you never know. Sometimes ETH goes down like this. Sometimes it goes up like this. So I'm not an ETH maxi at all. I bought a lot of ETH last run at like $1,300 and I sold at 4K. So, I mean, there's ways to make money off of this stuff if you want. I'm more of a Solana bull nowadays. So continuation here. Coffee long printing. Congratulations, everybody here. 420 people here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out, all those good things. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. I can't believe we shorted this here and made money. So, I mean, happy days. Constant bid right now. Solana coming into key resistance. $78 flip zone. Big push here for Solana. Big push for Ethereum. NASDAQ looking good coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We do a $1,500 giveaway today at the end of the stream. If you do want to support the channel and participate, all you have to do is sign up with the Bitunix link here, pinned in the comments. It supports the channel, and you get VIP 3. You get all the goodies, man. It's like the best Bitunix deal you can grab. And you get to participate in a big giveaway, $5,000 every week. So sign up with that Bitunix link, please. Support the channel. Thank you for being here. And let's see this thing completely melt faces this morning. GG's on your longs, guys. Now we're up $80 to start the day with a short. And everything else is melting faces. We shorted the sweep here. And this thing is just going up. In the pink box rejection zone. Can it get above the pink box and hold? That is the key right now. We've taken liquidity out of the highs. If I get reversal structure here, I am smashing the short button. Just so you know. And pay for golf for the rest of the year. But thank you for being here. There's your ASMR. You can flick this too. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. On the wrong side of the direction, but made money. So we're never going to complain about making money. We would love to be long right now, but hey ho, Coffee Long's printing. You guys are all printing. One's in the chat if you're long. I need to know. We need to congratulate you guys here. I wonder if the people who are watching like on their TVs at home, and I just like blow my nose and the whole house shakes. Oh, the nyapa. Let's go longs, baby. Army Piper, are you scalping with us, bro? Are you starting to trade with AlexOCrypto in the morning? Was long now too. I like that. I like the 2. NASDAQ cooling off here, guys. Solana key level of resistance. Short level for the Discord. I mean, I'm not taking it because it's sketchy, man. Sketchy in this crazy euphoric. In the pink box, we're in major rejection zone area. So that's all I'm saying. ETH doesn't care. Whatever zone you're in, it's in its own world right now. This looks a lot like yesterday. Let's just put it that way. Into another order block pullback zone here. Solana. Good times, man. Good times. We got 19 minutes till market opens. Thank you guys for being here. Good fun. I feel like I got to move this over so you guys can see. Mm-hmm. The numbers, right? You guys all want to see the numbers. Cooling off here. ETH's not cooling off. ETH still looks really strong. Solana still looks strong. Biddy looking a little bit toppy here. I don't know where to put this thing. So that would go here. That snap to fit there. I don't need that. Yeah, that's better. Something like that. Order block retest continuation up into pink box, no trade. Pardon me. My throat's hoarse, man. You do this every day for 4 years. My God. That's the one superpower we have. We're here every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10:15. That's the one thing I promised I'll always do is I'll show up. I have taken very few vacations in my life. I am going to visit my grandparents. Happy about that. I really miss them. My granddad's not doing so well, so I'm going to visit them at the end of the month for a long weekend. So I'll be leaving Thursday, Friday, back on Sunday. So you'll only miss me for 2 days. But if I don't do it, I'll miss my grandfather forever, right? So family comes first. Looking forward to seeing them, man. I know my granddad's not in good condition, so I can't not go visit him. No knows. If you know, you know. Yeah. I grew up without a dad, so he was kind of the only dad I ever had. He's 89 now and early onset dementia, right? So it's hard to watch your hero as a kid become, you know. But he is the best. Granddad, tell me which way the market is going to go today. You tell them. Which way?
Oh my God.
Up or down?
It's Monday.
It's Tuesday. It's Monday.
Tuesday.
Which day? So which way is it going to go? Up or down?
I think it's going to go up.
You got it there. It's going to go up, guys. It's going to go up. No knows, man. Yeah, so I'm going to spend a long weekend with them. I mean, me and my wife, before my son was born, we took care of them for 2 years, right? That's kind of, we started the channel in Australia. We moved back with them for 2 years. So we've gone through it with all of you guys. You kind of been there for the journey too. So salute. Thank you for being part of the family, man. Different by design. I'll see if he wants to do another video. A final Fast and the Furious final goodbye, you know. We'll see. Bitcoin looking good, man. This looks nice. But it could be a big ass trap, man. So coming into market open, we got 13 minutes. Bitcoin ripping, PP in your eye data coming out in absolutely melting faces. Coming in negative. The market is liking this stuff. Nasdaq flat. Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto, flying. Is anybody in the Discord still in that injective trade? Sheesh. Big push. Big push energy. Virtual looks really good. Near trying to break out. Aerodrome on the brink. Zcash. Did you guys see our Zcash trade in our Discord? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. If you haven't seen it, I mean, this is the panty peeler. You go on your Tinder date. You go on your Tinder date. And you say, hey, girl. She goes, what do you do for a living? We bought Zcash at 37.8. FJ, given the trade setups in advance, one of the signals providers in our Discord. 378. Guys. 378. Guys. We've been long. From 378 in our Discord. I mean, if you can't pay for your Discord membership with this one trade, you probably shouldn't be trading. Anyways, the best Discord in all of crypto. Discord sale, $20 off the first month. AlexOCrypto.com. Use the code vanilla. It's good ice cream. All right. Incredible. Collab with the Gramps. Yeah, man. Up always. Sky high, baby. Let's go. Breakout retest continuation. Up we go. Feels like a trap. Smells like a trap. Who knows if it's a trap? All I know is this thing is ripping and melting faces, and you guys are long, so GG's. I am in no trades right now. Still waiting, guys. We've made $80 this morning. A little scalp. And now we are ripping to the upside. Up 1.5% this morning. GG's, everybody. 10 minutes till market opens. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. So if I predicted 0.5 PPI comes in and no change, and we'll go up in chop, I presume. Dusty, TP to the dollar. Let's go, bro. The Discord is on fire. You guys are awesome, man. Good work. I see you guys working so hard in there. Great push here for Bitcoin. We should do like a live golf stream one day. We can all just talk shit while we're on the golf course and take trades. I'd have to get like a Starlink or something like that. Ethereum does not care, guys. Ethereum is gonzo. Ethereum is gonzo. Up it goes. Where it stops, only Army Piper knows. NASDAQ looks like garbage. Head and shoulders here. NASDAQ does not look good to start the day. ES looks good, but SpaceX is up pre-market. That's good. Oh, I can hear my son my son and my wife just got up. That's a great sleep in for those guys. Oh, man. Getting up at 9:30? It's 7:30 here where I live, so I wish I could sleep till 7:30. I can't even do that on the weekends. My God. Too much on the brain. The privilege of being a business owner. That's for damn sure. 470 people here. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. 164 likes coming into market open. I shorted here, guys, and the rest is history. Got stopped out for $80. Market's pushing. I think we're trapping a lot of longs right now. Twice in a row, 2 days in a row. For me, it's like, you gotta be kidding me, man. Full on good morning. Waking up to some morning pink box. Nothing better. Let's see if it pays us today if we do get a little rejection here. But everything's looking really hot. Double top here on Solana up at the highs. Splooshy sign. We got our warning sign here for a short, guys. On Solana. Trying to print. Could be the start of a big rejection, eh? Just saying. If you know, you know. But you don't want to fade the trend. No matter what the indicator says, right? Overbought, oversold, extremes. It's still just an indicator. It's not perfect. Nothing is, except for Dusty's trade. Full TP to the dollar. Good job, Dusty. Love seeing you win, bro. GG's. See, it disappeared. Woohoo! Candle close is always important. What about Sui, bro? Sui! I sold most of my Sui. I still have a little bag. Head and shoulders, man. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. I'm trying to go here. Looking for a breakout retest. That's what you're looking for on Sui, man. July rally. Don't be fooled, though. Don't be fooled. Look at this big old dump coming down now. Double top into resistance here on Soy Boy Lana. Trapping trades. 4 minutes till market opens, guys. Coming back down in here. Bitcoin rotation down. Coming into order block tap. Trying to find some support here. Whew. Considering longs here. Can we bounce? NASDAQ trying to bounce. Biddy, can it hold and bounce? Solana sweep of the lows bounce. Coming into market open. It's a bit risky. Biddy's got a bounce here. Not looking too hot. Rotation down. Double top on Solana at key resistance. Sweep and go halfway down the candle. ETH sweep and go. 2 minutes. Considering a long. Into market open. It's a little bit risky. We could push up into this low right here and then continue down. Yeah, let's try it. Long. Push. I'm going to bring this break even as soon as I hit TP1 here if we do get it. Okay, TP1. Stop loss entry. Up $100. I like the sweep halfway down the candle continuation here. Bitcoin's at key support. Can we follow through here coming into market open? It's got to get some legs here. I mean, we could keep that. Typically, Solana will push and then come back, stop you out, and then continue. Especially coming into market open here. Quarter position size again, not over risking here. Quick, I mean, realized P&L is at $200. Obviously, after fees, it's only $100, but we'll see if we can push here. Just a participation safely. I do like this wick down here on Solana. If it's going to go, we'll see. Halfway down the candle, overextended, trying to push. Bitcoin at key level of support here. If Bitcoin continues to roll here, NASDAQ's not on our side at all, so we could just get slapped here, which is fine. It's a safe participation scalp. If you're going to take it, you're going to take it on a sweep and go. If we got legs still, that's going to be the way we catch it. But we know we're overextended, so if it doesn't want to go, that's fine. You pay yourself early, you let it run. If it runs, it runs. If not, whatever. GG's in the chat. You got to be quick with those ones, though. Coming into market open, this is going to get volatile, so we might just get stopped out here. And just cover fees. How long do we have till open? Okay, right now. Here comes open. Push. It's got to push here on open. Push on open. Come on, baby. Yeah, see volatility here coming back on this candle. Can we get follow through? Which way did we gap on the SPY? Up. Gap up on SPY. Can we get follow through? No. No follow through. Gap up on SPY coming back down. I'm going to be stopped out here. No. Continuation here. Push Solana, you nambe pambe. Get going. Bitcoin needs to push out here. Pushing Bitcoin. Pushing Solana. Let's go, baby. Get going, yeah. You absolute wanker. Push. Come on. Give it to me, baby. I'll take 300. Up 270. GG's in the chat, baby. 75% out. Let's see if it runs. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Taking the trades. Showing the trades up. A beautiful $400 today. See if we can let it run. NASDAQ sweep. Sweep of the lows and go. SPY gap up, filling this gap. We got a gap above us again to fill. Let's see if we can continue here. Thank you guys for being on the live stream. Just showing you guys that my stones are bigger than your stones. Someone said the Stones. Oh man, it's a great band. We love the Stones. It's a really good band. Gotta love those Stones. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, baby. Let's go. Wagyu and the ramen tonight. Oh, too easy. Good little scalp. Good little scalp. Not to say that this isn't bearish, because you got double top up at the highs here. Bitcoin looks good, man. This could lead to a little bit of a push. Bitcoin does look good. And Ethereum, I mean, shout out to the Candle Mafia. I think Frankie Candles calls it Ethereum. We'll call it Urethra. That's what we'll call it. Urethra Franklin. Let's go, Soul. Just a runner now. Nice push here. SPY continuing to push up here, looking strong. NASDAQ sucks right now, guys. SpaceX climbing back in. Tesla. Big green energy, baby. Let's go. Micron dump. Marvel dump. AMD dump. Ooh, I might be buying some Marvel today if we can come back down to that $200 level. Front run that. Uh-oh, we're in trouble now. We're going to dump. We're going to go zero. Zero's where we're going. Can we continue? We'll see. Happy days, man. Happy days, easy scalps. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade. You go on like a 8-minute. This is just like a fair value gap. Halfway down the candle, continuation, right? That's all it is. Nothing special about this trade. The thing is we're so overextended. You got to pay yourself like immediately and de-risk on something like this. Like this is the safest way to top blast, right? Bitcoin looks like it's got legs still here, trying to push out. Three drives. Big push. Can we go? NASDAQ quite choppy this morning. SPY coming back for this mini gap we left behind over here. If it fills this gap, it could potentially roll over. Be aware of that. Watching the SPY here. Thank you guys for being here. 507 people here. 2 trades today, up $400. See if we get some follow through on this Solana trade. Bitcoin looking good. Bitcoin looks really good. ETH looks great. ETH just a little symmetrical triangle here, trying to break out. Little thingy here. ETH leading the way, obviously up 2.5% this morning. ETH is cha-ching. Reclaiming key levels. Needs to hold 1925, guys. That is a very bullish hold if it stays above 1925. Back to acceptance in the macro range. Keeping an eye on that. Solana needs to get back above 78 or 79 here and hold. This is a critical level of resistance. Bitcoin needs to flip and hold the pink box. So we're at very critical support resistance flips. If you're not aware of it, top-down analysis. In general, I posted this on Twitter this morning. If you're not following me there, you can go follow me there. I don't do too much on there, but we're trying to get back into this April to February range right now. It's trying to get into here and out to here, right? Into the rotation of the range. So this would be your manipulation and back up into distribution, right? So very important level right now that we're at. Does it get through on the first crack? Typically no, right? Typically no, but I mean, this thing's got legs recently, so we'll see if we do want to want to continue, or if we're going to get, 3 drives up at the highest rejection. Either way, we're getting paid. Good job, everybody on the live stream. Thank you for being here. Gang, 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 baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push, you nambe pambe. Oof, there's the dump. Here comes the humble pie. Here comes the humble pie for late longs. SPY, chop at the top. Oof. A little bit of weakness here on the SPY. NASDAQ dying. NASDAQ coming for the lows. Sweep at the lows and go, NASDAQ. Come on, baby. Let's see it. Here or here. NASDAQ showing some straight up weakness. Guys, probably going to get stopped out here on the Soy Boy Lana trade. Army Piper, can you press buy, please? Army Piper. You gonna press buy or what? Send it. Send it, Army Piper. Send it to the moon. I smell the weakness. I smell it. Yeah. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Down she goes. Oof. Are you serious? Stop loss just below this low of this candle, right? So that's a good way of holding trades, right? I always go one candle back from the original candle, okay? And trail the low. So if the market is pushing, your stop just trails the low of the previous candle to the current candle. Does that make sense, everybody? I'm going to get stopped here. This is weakness. But this is where in my opinion, if it's going to not take the low here, that's where it will hold. If we're going to continue here. Go. Be free. Be free. Be free. Solana. Solana, be free. This is gay. It's becoming gay. Just stop me out already. Come on. Don't trip by the dip. Stopped out. Yep, stopped out. Okay, GG's, guys. Good little scalp. Yeah, so like a way to, like I was explaining just there, the way to hold the trade longer. So let's say whatever, you longed here, right? You're just trailing the low with your, and it's not, so if you're printing this candle, it's still this candle. So go 1, 2 candles back. 2 candles back. So if it's this candle, you're on this candle. If it's on this candle, you're on this candle. Okay? I can't give you all my secrets, but I'll give you some if you pay attention. Thank you for being here. And it'll pay you, right? You see, even in here, right? Even in here, guys, look. You're on this candle, right? 1, 2, then you're on this candle. 1, 2, then you're on this candle. Look, you're still protected. Woo! Right? You see? Do you believe in magic? And that's how you hold trades longer. I struggled holding trades longer. You guys know me. I scalp in and out like a good boy scout. But there's ways to trail that will help you make money. Oh, man. She's kicking us out of the house, guys. You know, you guys just... You're in the pink box. 2 pump chump right now. 2 pump chump. Boom. Boom. She's like, get out of here. Get out of here, you selfish bastard. You 2 pump chump. You hit and run like that, guys? You're going to do it like that? She called you last night. You didn't show up. Now you go up and you 2 pump chumper. right? You may like order block reload and go back and, you know, do her a service and then go. How you guys doing that, man? The only pink box that pays you, man. The pink box. This one be paying everybody. We'll see. I can remove it if you want. That's all you get for $40.
Hard again. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is. It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down. Right into golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that.
Dave Digital, the mastermind behind the music, if you guys are wondering. Good fun, man. So in the pink box here, a little bit of a resistance. NASDAQ sweeping the lows here. Does not have permission to go up yet. Still waiting here, guys. Thank you guys for being on the live stream. We're going to do a giveaway in 15 minutes. Orb is about to come in. Big gap to the upside here on the SPY. A little bit of chop at the top. Bitcoin chop at the top as well. Bearish divergence. Rotation down here. Resetting. Possible retracement continuation here. Major resistance in the pink box here. So do we get the higher low continuation back out? We'll see. Prepared trader, profitable trader, right? So we're just waiting to see the reaction in here. Generally off of a macro pink box, we're generally looking for structure changes in here where we can short later on in the day. So be prepared for the short. The only pink box that pays you, this is a macro support and resistance flip. It is a SFP of the high. It is a 786. It is a volume resistance area and its acceptance into the April-February range. Okay, so major stopping point potentially here. The market is very bullish though, so be prepared for anything right now, guys. Nice roll over here. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Awesome work, guys. Order block tap right now. Rotation down. Solana rotation down. Ethereum rotation down. 2s in the chat, baby. 3 drives up at the highs. Trident pattern. Whew. Nasty. All right, trapping those traders. 2s in the chat if you're short. Let's go. Cubanadian short in the pink box. Man, it's so weird seeing my short ass on his screen, man. Oh, what do you got in here? Oh, is that a heat gun? Is that for the wanking chariot? Doesn't that make it feel better? I'm not going to criticize your desk. I'll stop. Sorry. This is all you need. Shout out to Cubanadian. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being in the family, man. Order block tap right now. No trade. Still waiting. 2s in the chat if you are short. That pink box. Oh, yeah. Look at you guys, man. You guys are legends. GG's, man. I love seeing you win. Otter gang. Let's go, baby. That pink box does pay, doesn't it? Solana key level resistance. Ho! Look at the humble pie. NASDAQ telling the story this morning. Holy dumperelli. Oh, man. Beautiful. That pink box. Let's go. What a dump. Humble pie. Coming right back down, giving it all back. Bearish divergence, retest, down we go. Big dump for Biddy, baby. Let's go, dump it. No trade right now, still waiting. Up 400 today. Guys, I took the short here and the long here. Am I retarded today, guys? I'm just do the opposite. I mean, I'm up $400, but if I longed here and I shorted here, I'd be up $3,000 right now. It shows you can be wrong and still be right. As long as you know how to manage your risk, take the trades. Pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. You see how you can still make money, even being not on the bigger side of the move? Pretty wild. Big old dump this morning. Dump targets. Dump targets, you're looking to come for the lows here. This guy right here. And see how it behaves. This is your retest of your breakout coming in right now. Little order block of your news data right now, so we'll see how it behaves in here kind of deal. But this is a pink box dump, baby. The gang knows the pink box is just the way to go, man. It's so funny. I think Kyle's Discord was like, man, if we just combine Alex's pink boxes with Kyle's momentum strategies, we make so much money. I'm like, there it is, right? AlexOCrypto's pink boxes. You guys can go and spread the word, man. Like and subscribe. We had 520 people in here, and now there's only 450. They all leave around this time. They're all gone. They're going to look at someone else scribble on the chart. Golf today, man. Is it like rude to clip my nails on the stream? That one nail was bugging me. Sorry. All right. Here's a retest of these highs, order block in here. Solana giving it all back, baby. Oof. Soy boy, Lana with the big drop it. 3 drives up at the highs. Sell wall. AlexOCrypto makes the money off that little long in here. Wild. Big old dump this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. $1,500 giveaway today, guys. So if you're not how's my back feeling? I would say it's like 80%. Going golfing today. We're going to go live in the Discord, and then I'm going to go to a meeting, and then I'm going to go golfing. So I'm pretty busy today. But the back flares up every now and then. I've been to the driving range 3 times now, and it's been okay. So I'm going to give it a whirl today. I'm not going to swing out of my shoes or anything. ETH failed breakout here. Whoever's asking for ETH needs to hold 1925 for ETH. Otherwise, we're back down. So back's okay. I mean, gotta give it a test though, right? Like I've been stretching every day. It's been 3 weeks. See if I can. I'm probably, the funny thing is after you take like a big break from golf or any sport, you typically play your best, which is weird. It's a weird kind of phenomenon. ETH flag. Well, you have a breakout, right? So you're just trying to get back above 1925. You're in macro resistance right now, trying to get acceptance back into this range here at 1925, right? So you're naturally should be expecting a breakout retest, potential pullback to 1854 here, and then continuation retest to previous highs. That's where I'd be looking. If this doesn't flip here, then you're looking to come back here, 1855, which would be nasty. NASDAQ telling the story this morning, guys. Big old dump. Waiting for some bids to come back into NASDAQ. So far, no bueno. S&P coming back, filling that box. Still leaving the box up top here, interestingly enough. So we did leave this guy here. Still available for the taking. This guy down below here we took, I believe. Yeah, we took this guy down here. This guy's getting filled right now. These boxes work really well, though, if you know how to trade within them. Cooling off here. Bullish PPI data coming in. Interesting morning, to say the least. 2 trades up $400 this morning. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's how we roll. Giveaway today, 440. We went from 520 people on the live stream to 440. It's kind of weird, man. Nice bounce off of this block right now. Solana holding as well. Big old humble pie coming in for the market this morning. NASDAQ's got a hold here and push back. Same with the SPY. SPY seems to be catching a bid right now. Little block retest here on Bitcoin. Big rejection off of our pink box this morning. Good rejection off of our soul level. Ethereum still looks decent. Guys, why didn't anybody say view up? Nobody said view up. I didn't even have it turned on. AlexOCrypto amateur hour, man. Amateur hour, bro. Even this morning, look at this. I didn't even have view up turned on for this move. Namby pamby. What am I doing? You think I'd be prepared? I do not use VWAP on Solana, by the way. Bear flagging. Bear flagging right now. Beautiful dump this morning, guys. Head and shoulders, rotation down, pink box level, rejection. Solana, head and shoulders, major resistance, rejection down. Almost too easy. Great work today, everybody. Thank you for being here. What you done to your back? Bet it's lower spine. Yeah, lower right. My lower right back has always been bad because, well, construction for 15 years. And a lot of sports as a teenager and a kid. So, but I tried to swing like Bryson. I was playing a gorgeous course. I swung out of my shoes and pulled it, and it hasn't been the same since. But it flares up every now and then. It hasn't flared up this bad in a while, though. Any reason why I don't use VWAP on Solana? I find it's just because of the volatility on Solana, it's not as well respected. All right, it still works, like strategy-wise, it still works, but you got to give it you got to give it some room, right? Like this, the slaps aren't as look, it's front running here, front running here. It's not as, I find, as accurate as Bitcoin is. So for me, it's not part of my main strategy. With Solana, I use support and resistance. I mean, and you can see support and resistance. If you trade it and you get direction correctly, you make lots of money. Bitcoin coming into order block. Nice pushback here. NASDAQ catching a bid and SPY catching a bid, which is good. So potential for a retracement here. We can go swing high to swing low. Yeah, resistance at top of orb, golden pocket here as well. Coming into that order block for a tap. Potential short here, just not going to take it due to the fact that NASDAQ's pushing, SPY is pushing right now. Still waiting here. Guess I get this giveaway already for you guys as well while we're waiting here. Discord members keep cleaning up the Bitunix giveaway. That's a juicy ass giveaway, man. I can't believe they're giving you guys this much money. All right. Well, it's been a fun trading morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. VWAP slap. $1,500 giveaway. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, subscribing, using the Bitunix link down below. Congratulations to all the members. Gang. Congratulations, way Mr. Bond, STR.
Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh,
MHZ again? You're cleaning up, man. GG's, bro. $500.
Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block.
Way MHZ.
Stop loss to entry.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Archetype for printing.
And Jeanette won the $1,000 last week, and she just won another $500. She be keeping you men on lock. Congratulations, family. GG's in the chat.
Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your wrist. Trap at the top. Slap at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it. Slap it. Pump it. Give it the VWAP. Slap. Slap it. Pump it. Hit the big box. Make the green candle pop. Oh. Give it the VWAP. Slap. Slap it. Trade the buns.
Should we We haven't done this in forever, guys. I'm gonna send you over to our secret trader in our Discord, guys. We haven't done this. We haven't done this in probably 5 months. He's not used to this, guys. He's my best friend. He's a trader in our Discord. His name's Brewberry. Smart Money Concepts, an incredible trader. Okay, we're going to send you over to his stream. I need you guys to go over there and spam his channel. It's so funny because, like, Steve, he's just an amazing person, but he's not used to it. So everybody get your sunglasses on, white charts, go over there. Brewberry is an amazing trader, incredible human, top notch. But we're going to send you over there. Okay, guys, I love you guys. Happy hump day. I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless you. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low.